Well, greetings everyone, and welcome to post-midterm life in the course. So I hope you guys all had a great break. I'm sure it was way too short. But I did just want to make, I guess, two brief announcements. First of all, the objectives for this week, I will put those in text in another news item. But here, I did want to talk a little bit about the application activity. Which is a little bit new with Unit 2 of the course. As you know, you'll need to provide feedback to one of your peers, and your peers will need to provide feedback to you. So this system works if individuals meaning you, are posting your application activities when they are due. If you do not post them when they're due, then you are putting one of your peers in a difficult position, who may or may not have planned out their week in a specific way. And my response to that is fair enough. And I have had a couple of individuals email me with precisely that, like, the person I'm supposed to review, they haven't posted on time. I've got whatever, other plans that, didn't account for this. And, my response is fair enough. So I guess two comments about that. First of all, if you are supposed to review somebody and they did not post on time, you are free of the responsibility for having to do so. Those are circumstances beyond your control, and I'm not going to penalize you for something outside your control. Likewise, if you are posting your application activity late, fair enough, and please do that, but also do it knowing with full awareness that you're not going to get feedback from your peers. So we can't. This system. This design doesn't work if people are posting in late, and that's just one of the costs to that. So, yeah. So anyway, if you have any questions about that or anything else, please do send me an email. I know some of you are doing that anyway as things come up, and that is awesome. So yeah. Anyway, hope the second half. It's not really the second half; it's the last third of the course. Goes well for you. This is the portion of the course I get really excited about, because this is where the rubber meets the road and where we actually begin designing based on the principles that we've covered thus far. So have a great week.